become more. You are the leader. A very good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, Supervisor, teachers, and my dear students. I'm Harit Mariappan from class 12, and today, I'm not just standing here as a newly elected head boy, but as someone who's deeply thankful, incredibly humbled by the trust you have placed on me. First, thank you, not just for the words, but for the conversations we had in the corridor, encouragement, doubts, and the honest opinions. All of it mattered. You didn't just make me a head boy, but made me realize that leadership is built on connections, not confidence. I'm not here to just win the badge or stand on the stage simple, but I'm here to stand with you, show up for you, and build better things with you. This isn't my victory, it's ours, because what we do from now onwards will be a team effort. And I believe every voice matters, the loud ones, quiet ones, and the unsure ones. My goal is to make sure each one of them gets the space they deserve. I know this badge doesn't make me better than anyone, but it's just a simple reminder to keep doing what I said I would, lead from among, not above. I'm Harit Mariappan, your head boy, and thank you for bestowing the prestigious honor on me. I would like to end with a thoughtful quote. A true leader is not the one with the most followers, but the one who creates the most leaders. Thank you for today.